So what are you doing?
I'm cleaning the dishes.
Awesome.
Oh, it's already
So you're the washer?
Yeah.
Who's the dryer?
Jasmine, who's sitting on the stairs meditating.
She's meditating?
Using words.
We're listening to meditation music?
Don't interrupt me.
That's spooky. So just starting, got a few dishes to do there, huh?
Yeah, a few.
What's your mom doing?
I'm stuck.
Your mom is laying on the floor.
Laying on the floor with cans.
Yeah, as always.
Lots of food on this boat right now.
Yum yum. I hope they caught that.
Let's see, where does that...
Hey, you have
Where's
a
that?
Guys.
Get out of the way.
Oh, sorry.
dishwasher.
So that stuff's going under there.
Yeah.
Yum yum.
A lot of space under there.
Dryer, get over here.
Time to start drying.
Dryer, get over here.
Whatever.
Please.
Yeah, where are your manners?
No, where are your manners?
Okay.
Cavity.
Keep up the good work.
I am not McCavity, you're McCavity.
And leave a like on this video. And subscribe.
Fat chance of that.